Okay, Kevin, now we're going to assume we were looking for a phosphorylated AKT, for example. So let's see. You probably already have your list. But for example, with the phosphorylated protein, it really depends on the exact location. It's usually going to be a serine or a threonine, but there are many serine and threonines that can be phosphorylated. And so when you see the epitope here, it's telling you serine 180. So let's see, we were looking at AKT. So let's look at threonine 308 is a very common one that's phosphorylated in AKT1. So we'll click on this, okay, and it'll tell us, okay, so it's pretty straightforward, threonine 308. So what you need to do is you need to go back to your protein sequence for Homo sapien, for humans, right? And so if this is 301, 302, 303, 304, 305, 306, 307, 308, this right here is the amino acid that gets phosphorylated. And so not only does that exact amino acid need to be in zebrafish, but on both sides of the protein, it needs to be it's good if it's pretty homologous. So what I would say is take 20 amino acids before the phosphorylated epitope and 20 amino acids after. Okay, and we can copy that, and then we'll go and blast that in the zebrafish database. All right, so we're just going to go back here. I could probably just go to home quicker. But anyway, okay. So now we're going to paste the epitope that we just copied. You want to get rid of the numbers. Numbers are not good, but everything else will be okay. Let's get rid of those numbers, and now we should be able to blast just like this. Spaces are okay. The software is not thrown off by spaces. So if you hit blast, okay. Now the important thing is to remember where that threonine is. And so really quickly, it found, right, and it seems to be in good shape. I believe this was the threonine right here. Okay, so everything on both sides seems to be pretty conserved. So there's a good chance that this would work in zebrafish. Okay, so again, it's pretty straightforward. What I would do is copy this information, put it into a Word document, or you could probably even download it. But either way, that's a pretty straightforward way of how you can figure out whether or not these antibodies have a good chance of working in zebrafish. So work on that this weekend, and then we'll meet up Tuesday and look at your results. All right, have a good weekend. Take care.